Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix sound or audio problem in Moonlighter game. So without wasting time, here follow the steps mentioned in this video very carefully. First fix steps to fix sound or audio problem in Moonlighter. So open Windows settings. On the left click on system, then click on sound. Scroll down, click on more sound settings. Now select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on properties. Go to the spatial sound tab. From the drop down, first select off option, hit on apply, OK, and then relaunch the game and check if your sound or audio problem is fixed or not. If not, and if spatial sound is already set to off, then from the drop down select Windows Sonic for headphones, hit on apply, OK, and then again restart the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the Moonlighter game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using any headphones, then you might like to try using speakers and see if that helps or not. Fix 3 steps to fix audio or sound problem in Moonlighter if you are using a Bluetooth headphones. So right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and select properties. Now go to the services tab and check hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Then click on apply and then check if it solves your issue or not. Fix 4 is to set default sound device. So click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you're using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then test it for the improvement. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix sound or audio problem in Moonlighter game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.